Market research often requires bouncing between keyword databases, news trackers, and document editors. Trendjectory connects this workflow by automating the transition from a raw topic to a complete strategic brief. When you enter a topic, the platform first runs a topic expansion to map search volume and intent. It then uses this expanded scope to scan search indexes and news networks, filtering the findings through your saved company and audience profiles so the recommendations are tailored to your business. The resulting reports go beyond raw data. They group trends by timeframe and translate them into specific implications with confidence ratings, accompanied by verified source links so you can validate every insight. You can convert any completed report into a project. This schedules automatic weekly or monthly updates, acting as an automated intelligence radar that emails reports to your team. All reports can be white-labeled with your brand colors and logo for client delivery. View the other tutorial videos in this series to see how to get the most out of your Trendjectory account.